last year and celebrated my birthday at home. It was wonderful evening with my family and few close friends. We decided to have casual gathering. We had some delicious tacos and there were a lot of different salsas to choose from. For drink, we had some refreshing fruit water. Everyone was very happy and the atmosphere was full of laughter. I received many thoughtful hits later with a big chocolate cake. I felt incredibly grateful and joyful to be surrounded by my loved ones. It was a simple but perfect celebration, making it one of my favorite memories from last year. Ya, mami.